Hello my dear friends and welcome back to your own channel Vedantu class 8. We have been discussing a lot about many topics, but today we are going to have a very interesting topic and which is also a very small topic. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Preeti Agarwal and I am a master teacher of maths at Vedantu. So, you already have seen what's the next topic we are going to study, and that is exponents and powers. This is session number 1 of exponents and powers. You must be thinking, and you might have always thought of this thing, that why do we need to study exponents and powers? Why ma'am is always teaching this, and this M always gives me a very bad dreams also, right? So do not worry about that. First we'll study why do we need to study exponents and powers, right? Let's get started with that. Okay, my first question to all of you here is, can you read this number? Yes, obviously you will start reading from here ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 1000 and blah 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 blah. And I guess यहाँ पे बीच में आके you will all will get dead, right? Obviously, chalo, if I ask you, okay, chalo, count the number of zeros, then how will you do this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I don't know how many zeros. You will definitely get the count lows in here, right? So this is the need of exponents basically, right? We need to actually read this number, or we actually need to write this number in a very special form or in a very appropriate form where we can read it easily on paper. That's it. This is the only use of exponents we have, right? For now, this is the use, and that is why it's more important. Now you must be thinking, Baba, itne bade numbers hum padhenge kahan? Right? So let me take to you the universe. Okay, let's get started. So this is what? This is sun and this is earth, right? This is sun and this is earth. What is the distance between this sun and earth? Who is going to tell me? Okay. Do you just see the screen? I mean how the broad screen is, that is only the distance? Obviously not, right? So what is the distance between the sun and earth? The distance between the sun and earth is actually this: 1496000000. Oh god, I am totally lost here, right? Okay, so basically this is a larger number which practically we read in our daily lives, okay, and which comes in our syllabus as well. If you think of a point of if you are thinking in exam point of view, right? So these are the things which always bug us, and यही numbers हैं जिनके लिए हमें exponents and powers की actually ज़रूरत होती है. उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे applications हैं, but for now understand that इस number को हम better कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Can I write it better like this? Obviously 1496 into 10 raised to the power 8. यहाँ पे basically मैंने क्या किया? What I have done here is I have written as 1496 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What I have done here is मैंने 1496 into जितने भी zeros थे उसको अलग कर दिया, and then I have written this here, right? So this is what exponents are used for. Okay, so let's get started. In the coming slides, what we are going to read is the all rules which we have already studied in our earlier classes of exponents. Okay, it's just that difference बस इतना ही है, जो भी हमने rule exponents अभी तक हमने whole numbers में पढ़े थे या natural numbers में पढ़े थे, that same thing we are going to study for the rational numbers. Okay, fair enough? कुछ ज़्यादा change नहीं होने वाला है, सिर्फ rational numbers आने वाले हैं हमारे natural numbers और whole numbers की जगह. Okay, don't be scared. So this is the first thing we are going to study, that is positive integral exponents of a rational number. Okay, we all know about it. A by B is a rational number where B is not equals to 0 and A and B are any integer. Okay, right? Now here if we put the power n, for example if I am putting A raised to the power n, what does that mean? A को मुझे कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है? n टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है. You know that, right? You know this. Okay, same thing मैंने a की जगह a by b रख दिया because it's a rational number. How a rational number is represented. So मैंने a by b रख दिया, उसको मेरे को n times multiply करना है. Very simple. Okay, अब मैंने क्या किया, फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट आई डिड इज, क्योंकि ये इतना मल्टीप्लिकेशन में था, नाउ गोइंग बैक टू योर फ्रैक्शंस लेसन, अगर दो फ्रैक्शंस में आपको मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए जो 1 इंटू 2 इंटू 3/4, आप इसको 1 इंटू 3/2 इंटू 4 भी लिख सकते हो, राइट? एम आई राइट? राइट? सो सेम थिंग मैंने यहाँ क्या किया है, a इंटू a इंटू a इंटू अपॉन b इंटू b को मैंने n टाइम्स करके उसको यहाँ पे in numerator I have written as a n times upon b n times, which will be equal to a raised to the power n upon b raised to the power n. Okay, the same thing, right? Okay, so this is what we have come to the conclusion, and believe me, ये learn करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है because you already know it. Okay, आपको ये पता है exponents, ये आपको ये चीज पता है, you know how fractions are solved, easily you can do it, you don't need to actually remember it. From at least मुझे तो नहीं लगता है आपको याद करने की जरूरत है. Okay, let's get started and see what's the next thing coming up for us. Next thing coming up for us is, let a by b a rational number and m and n be any positive integers, then we have a by b raised to the power m into a by b raised to the power n is equals to a by b raised to the power m plus n. कुछ याद आया? Same thing we have studied where a upon m, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m plus n. Remember, कुछ याद आया? When the bases are same exponents and if they are in multiplication, the exponents get added up. Same thing. Same thing if अगर base same है और division में है, exponents subtract होंगे. अगर base के ऊपर दो powers multiplication में है, then it will be getting multiplied. And the same thing if two separate numbers are under the same exponents, then it will be a by b raised to the power n into c by d raised to the power n. Actually ये कुछ similar नहीं है, हमने जो last किया था, again remembering the fraction and the exponents lessons together. Okay, very simple. And definitely इसके बाद आप ये भी कर सकते हो, it's just that rearranging the numbers, which is actually simple, and believe me, इनको learn करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Once you will start practicing, once you will practice with the numbers, ये ऐसे याद हो जाने वाले हैं. Okay, are you getting confused, or if you're thinking कि अरे यार ये कैसे याद होगा? Do not worry, we'll practice and it will get in your mind like this. Okay, like you remember your name. Okay, let's get started to the next thing, and next thing is, if a by b is a rational number and m and n be any positive integers, then we have what? A by b raised to the power minus n. Now again remember your lessons, a raised to the power minus n will give you 1 by a. याद आया? नेगेटिव पावर्स होते हैं तो वो नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में चले जाते हैं. ओके, सेम थिंग इफ इट इज a by b raised to the power minus n, what we have to do? ओके, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को अलग अलग डील करो. मैं इसको 1 by a, ओके चलो इसके बाद में एक और स्टेप ऐड करती हूँ. इट विल बी a raised to the power minus n upon b raised to the power minus n. Fair enough? उसके बाद I'll do numerator and denominator separately. This will become 1 by a raised to the power n upon 1 by b raised to the power n. Right? Now, if you remember again the concept which we just studied, I can write it as this. Right? And if you solve this, you will get this. Okay, so सेम ही फॉर्मूला है, उसको बस ऊपर नीचे इधर उधर करके हमें अपने खुद के फॉर्मूलेस भी बना सकते हैं, राइट? एंड ऑल्सो a by b raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. Any number to the power 0 is always 1, no change in that. Okay, very simple things. Now we will get started with our questions. Okay, let's get started with the questions. Evaluate 3 by 5 raised to the power 3. पहला क्वेश्चन बहुत सिंपल है, 3 by 5 raised to the power 3. अब इसमें क्या आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन पता होनी चाहिए? 3 का क्यूब पता होना चाहिए, 5 का क्यूब पता होना चाहिए. सिंपल, राइट? 3 cube upon 5 cube. 3 cube is 27, 5 cube is 125, and I have done it directly. Those who don't know, please try to do it directly. Learn the cubes. At least cubes are I guess 15 तक तो लर्न कर सकते हो. 15 या 15 is very normal. 15 तक आप definitely लर्न करो. Okay. Moving ahead, second question is minus 3 by 4 raised to the power 4. Okay. So now अभी difference के आगे यहाँ पे minus आ गया. हमें क्या करना है, माइनस को भी साथ में लेके चलना है. डोंट फॉरगेट माइनस. ओके, कि भाई माइनस तो रहेगा अपने घर पे. नो. ओके, -3 इंटू -3 इंटू -3 इंटू -3 अपॉन 4 इंटू 4 इंटू 4 इंटू 4. राइट. नाउ इफ यू कैन इजली सॉल्व दिस. अब 3 का क्यूब पता है, उसमें 3 और मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. ऑब्वियसली 3 का 4 पता नहीं होगा. उसके अलावा एक और ट्रिक है. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज 3 इंटू 3 बिकम्स 9. 3 इंटू 3 बिकम्स 9. राइट. सो ये 9 का स्क्वायर तो पता है सबको. इट इज 81. हियर ऑल्सो सेम थिंग. 4 इंटू 4 बिकम्स 16. 4 इंटू 4 बिकम्स 16. 16 का स्क्वायर भी सबको पता है. इट इज 256. नाउ मैं यहाँ पे माइनस का साइन भूली नहीं हूँ. Minus into minus becomes plus and minus into minus becomes plus. So final answer is positive. Please do care, take care of the minus sign. उसको भूलना बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. सारा आंसर गलत होने वाला है नहीं तो. Okay, last question is this. Where -2 raised to the power 5 upon 3 raised to the power 5. Okay, यहाँ पे हमें 2 की कितनी पावर लानी है? 5 times. Okay, now this is very normal thing. I'll tell you 2 की पावर तो आप definitely उसको I guess 2 raised to the power 10 या 2 raised to the power 12 तक learn कर लो. I'm telling you it is going to help you a lot. Okay, and also 3 raised to the power 4 तक भी learn कर लिया तो चलेगा. 3 raised to the power 4 is 81. अभी किया हमने. Okay, so 2 but 2 का पावर बहुत यूज होता है. You can easily learn 2 to the power till 10. Actually it will help you a lot. Okay, चलो let's get started. अभी 2 raised to the power 5 learn करते हैं अपन. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 and okay minus sign मैं भूल गई थी. No problem. -2 and -2 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, this is 5 times. Okay, now 2 raised to the power अभी हम calculate करेंगे. Then I will suggest you learn it. Okay, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32 and 5 times अगर माइनस साइन आया है तो क्या होगा? डेफिनेटली नेगेटिव होगा. और टाइम्स अगर नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाई हुआ तो और. रिमेंबर इन 7th स्टैंडर्ड वी हैव लर्नड इट ऑलरेडी. ओके, माइनस और एल्स यू कैन ऑब्वियसली कैलकुलेट इट. माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस, माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस एंड माइनस विल बी लेफ्ट एट द एंड. Okay, now 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 is 27, 27 3 is 81 and then finally you have to multiply 81 into 3 and this is 243. So the correct answer is -32 upon 243. Very simple. Okay, and let me tell you जब इन क्वेश्चन को आप बार बार इनको रिवाइज करोगे ये क्वेश्चन अपने आप रन हो जाने वाले हैं. 2 की पावर 5, 3 की पावर 5, इवन 4 की पावर 4 या 4 की पावर 5. इट्स ऑटोमेटिकली आपके दिमाग में रजिस्टर हो जाने वाले हैं. डू नॉट वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2/3 raised to the power -3. Okay, now the things has been changed. -3 साइन है. ओके, सबसे पहला स्टेप अगर नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट है देन फर्स्ट स्टेप फॉर यू शुड बी इज टू कन्वर्ट नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट इनटू पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट. दिस शुड बी अ फर्स्ट स्टेप इन एवरी क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो अभी मैंने इसको अगर पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट किया व्हाट इट विल बी 3/2 raised to the power 3. सिंपल. व्हाट डिड आई डू? मैंने यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर बनाया, डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर बनाया. वेरी सिंपल. ओके, नाउ 3 का क्यूब यू नो 27, 2 का क्यूब यू नो इट इज 8. यू नो राइट? Please do learn cubes till at least 15. Okay, cube 15 तक learn कर लेना है. Squares till 25 at least. Okay, good. Now second thing is 4 raised to the power -2. Again first thing अगर negative power है what we will do? 1/4 square and 4 square is 16. Very simple. Okay, third question is 1/6 raised to the power -2. Now once again negative power है उसको मुझे क्या कन्वर्ट करना है? पॉजिटिव पावर. This will become 6 raised to the power 2. 6 square is 36. Simple. I hope you know this. You know this, right? Okay, do not let me down here. Okay, क्यूब्स लर्न करना है 15 तक, स्क्वायर्स लर्न करना है 25 तक. घोट लो बिल्कुल, दिमाग में बिल्कुल बैठ जाने चाहिए. Okay, and this is oral question guys. 2/3 raised to the power 0 is 1. Simple. Done. Okay, moving ahead to the next question. Here it is 1/3 raised to the power -4. Again same thing. क्या करना है? न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर. 3 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power अब भी कैलकुलेट किया था, याद है? 3 raised to the power 4 is 81, right? Very good. I hope you remember this. सी मैंने बोला था ये इतना प्रैक्टिस होने वाला है ना, इतना ही आने वाला है कि अपने आप ये घुट जाएगा बिल्कुल. यू विल लर्न इट एंड यू विल स्पीक लाइक इवन इफ आई वेक यू अप इन द मिडल ऑफ नाइट, नो बाबा उठ के मुझे 3 raised to the power 4 बता दो, यू विल टेल 81 81. Okay, let me tell you, this is going to happen a lot. Okay, 5 raised to the power minus 3 becomes 1 by 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, and 5 cube is 125. Okay, third, and now the third question. Third question is 5 by 2 raised to the power minus 3. This becomes 2 by 5 raised to the power 3. Right? Now 2 cube is 8, 5 cube is 125. Remember ये माइनस साइन अंदर मत डाल देना, बहुत बच्चे ये करते हैं. मेनी स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट दे डू इज ये नेगेटिव साइन पता नहीं क्यों अंदर डाल देते हैं और फिर आंसर उनका नेगेटिव में आ जाता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. इफ नंबर इज नॉट नेगेटिव, उसका कोई भी पावर नेगेटिव कैसे बन सकता है? राइट? एक्सपोनेंट इज टोटली डिफरेंट थिंग. एक्सपोनेंट है तो उसका हमें उसको पॉजिटिव पावर में कन्वर्ट करना है, न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर बनाना है, डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर बनाना है. बट अंदर का नंबर नेगेटिव कैसे हो जाता है, मुझे तो वो लॉजिक ही समझ में नहीं आता. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज minus 3 by 4 raised to the power minus 4. ओके, यहाँ पे दोनों चीजें हैं, नंबर भी नेगेटिव है और पावर भी नेगेटिव है. रिमेंबर मुझे पावर को पॉजिटिव बनाना है तो मैं न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को ऊपर नीचे करूंगी और इसको रेज़ टू द पावर 4 करूंगी. अंदर का -3 पॉजिटिव नहीं बनने वाला है. वी हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग फॉर दैट. अभी जब मैं उसको स्क्वायर या कोई भी पावर लगाऊंगी देन आई विल कैलकुलेट कि वो पॉजिटिव रहेगा या नेगेटिव रहेगा. बट व्हेन आई एम चेंजिंग द पावर इनटू पॉजिटिव, अंदर का नंबर इज नॉट गेटिंग इफेक्टेड. Remember that these are the silly mistakes that you do in exam. Okay. Now 4 raised to the power 4. We just did that. 4 raised to the power is actually 16 raised to the power 2, which is 256. And 3 raised to the power 4 अब भी किया, it's 81. And what about the sign? It's raised to the power 4, negative number, raised to the power positive, raised to the power even power, what it will be? Positive. Didn't you get that? Minus into minus is plus, minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is positive. Okay, and now the next one is minus 2 raised to the power minus 5. Again the same thing, it will become 1 upon minus 2 raised to the power 5, and this will be 1 upon minus 32. मैंने कैसे डायरेक्ट लिखा? 2 raised to the power 5 अभी लर्न किया, अभी किया हमने, that became 32. और नेगेटिव पावर अगर मैं ऑड नंबर ऑड टाइम्स अगर मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी इट विल बी नेगेटिव. ओके, वेरी नाइस. मूविंग अहेड, इवैल्यूएट 3 upon 8 raised to the power minus 2 into 4 by 5 raised to the power minus 3. Okay, how do we do that? 3, this will become 8 by 3 raised to the power 2. सबसे पहले क्या करना है, मुझे पावर सही करना है. Okay, 5 by 4 raised to the power 3. Got that? Now 8 into 8 by 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 upon 4 into 4 into 4. Now बहुत सारे many students will ask me कि मैम आपने इसका ऐसे क्यों खोला? 8 स्क्वायर तो मुझे पता है, 4 का क्यूब भी मुझे पता है, then why are you doing this thing? I know these calculations are simple, it looks simple, so you don't have any problem in doing them. But this is the method that you should adopt when a larger number comes. Okay, जब एक बहुत बड़ा नंबर आएगा तब आपके लिए बहुत इजी होगा. Okay, when you are opening it and you are writing it, then all number is in front of you. कोई कॉमन फैक्टर्स हैं तो उसको काट दो and same thing. Okay, okay, now this thing you should know that 8 square is 64 and 4 का cube is 64, right? So basically these are the same numbers, तो हम उनको डायरेक्ट काट सकते हैं. We can cut them directly, so it will become 125 by 9, right? 5 का cube is 125, 3 का cube square is 9, and the correct answer would be 125 by 9. Moving ahead, and let's see what's the next thing is. We need to simplify. Okay, remember बीच में प्लस का साइन है. Do not multiply them. Unnecessary multiply नहीं करना है, right? Half raised to the power minus 2 plus plus 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. Oh God, it's very simple. माइनस 2 को मैं पॉजिटिव बनाऊंगी तो ये 2 का स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. मैं 3 को पॉजिटिव बनाऊंगी 3 का स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. एंड मैं जब 4 को पॉजिटिव माइनस 2 को पॉजिटिव बनाऊंगी ये 4 का स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. ओके, 2 स्क्वायर इज 4, 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 9 is 29 and the correct answer would be 29. So simple. Okay, moving ahead to the next question. By what number should half raised to the power minus 2 be multiplied so that the product is this? So what we will do, let the number be x. Okay, let the number be x. So according to question, it would be x multiplied by half raised to the power minus 2 is equals to minus 5 raised to the power 4 upon 4 raised to the power minus 1. सबसे पहले पॉजिटिव साइन बदलना है, सॉरी एक्सपोनेंट्स को मुझे पॉजिटिव बदलना है. दिस विल बिकम 2 का स्क्वायर एंड दिस विल बिकम 4 अपॉन minus 5 raised to the power 1, right? And not so simple. 4 square, I can see this is getting cancelled directly. This will become 1 minus 1 by 5 and the correct answer would be this. And let's see what the correct answer is. Minus 1 by 5. Okay, now we have come to the end of the session and your task is that you have to calculate the value of this, which is a very easy task. Okay. What you have to do, you have to leave your answers in the comment section below, and if you have any doubts related to this session or at any other topic which you feel that I should cover in this video, please do leave it in the comment section below. I will definitely cover a video on that. And please do like if you think that your concepts of exponents are clear. Share it to your friends so that they can also clear their concept, and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates, and do subscribe for the channel. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye. This is Preeti Agrawal, and I hope that you keep on practicing and you become perfect in maths. Okay, till then, bye bye. Preeti Agrawal signing off. Bye bye.